Run out of time. I wanted to give you all one last opportunity to share some final thoughts or advice. Elie, we'll start with you. For folks that are looking at revamping their supplier portal, looking to get better results out of it, do you have any final words of wisdom for them?
Yeah, no, honestly, I think going back to the question of, should we wait or should we go now? I think the sooner you get engaged in the process, the better. It's a huge value add. You know, as you take a step back and you look at the software and the price tag for the value you get, you really can't beat it, right? The ROI is absolutely through the roof because it does give you solid data, end-to-end system integration. It allows you to manage the business. And going back to the last question from Mainstrike around, how do you kind of enforce that, or how do you get the good data in? And really, the scorecarding that Tom mentioned is key. What we found a practice that actually works well for us is, you go to have a conversation with vendor A, and then you take the average of all other vendors as well as whoever the number one vendor is. Obviously, you remove names, but you say you're ranked number 22 on a list, of 23 vendors for responsiveness, for data quality, for on-time delivery. They start to get pretty self-conscious about that, and nobody wants to be 22 out of 23, right? Everybody wants to be number one. And so it really does hit home. All that's not possible, though, without the software. And so it really does give the business a lot of power to actually manage the business, which, again, it's not possible before. So I would say highly recommend it. It's amazing. It allows you to kind of control your business, take over your business, and actually drive change with data that nobody can really dispute and everybody can align and get behind.
And Tom, any final takeaways from you for the audience today?
Yeah, I think it's critical that you continue to invest in, digital transformation and ensuring that your organization is, keeping up with competitive forces, right? There's a lot of things and unknowns going on in the global supply chain, right? With tariffs and economic conditions that are really out of your control, but the things that you can control, right? Supplier performance, supplier visibility, collaboration, ensuring that you have the best data quality and the best KPIs and analytics to make good business decisions in this uncertain economic environment is critical, right? It's going to be a thrive or die environment potentially with if you're listening to the news and uncertain times, right? There's no telling where the economy may go, but automation and visibility and accountability and really taking, a digital transformation approach is going to be critical and almost mandatory, right? So I think I would highly recommend, even if you don't look at SourceDay, look at others and then come back and look at us and we'll continue to tell you why we think we're the best in really driving supplier collaboration and ensuring that your suppliers are performing for your business needs at the highest level. And that takes change, and change is hard, but you have to change to grow.